Welcome to Dark Horse Workshop, everybody. Hopefully, you're having a fantastic day. It is Black Friday, Cyber Monday, super sale time, and obviously, like everybody else, I've got a 50% off sale over at darkhorseworkshop.com on individual leathercraft patterns and Viking art, so check that out. And I also have a free pattern, which is my original drawstring pouch dice bag pattern, available for free. That's what free is. So you can check the description box thing down below for the code to that. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do. Oh, yeah, and I've got a montage now. Cue the montage.